Good afternoon, friends. This video today I am just want to talk about what is the root cause failure analysis. In simple terms, root cause failure analysis is when anything is failed and you have to investigate the reason why it failed. Actually, you cannot avoid the failure. Failure of any machinery, failure of any component, failure of any equipment, but many cases you will find that the failure is repetitive and it is a nuisance, or you can say the equipment becomes bad actor. To avoid this bad actor, to avoid this repetitive failure, what we actually do, we are doing the root cause failure analysis. Root cause failure analysis, there is a process. Once team decides and the management decides that the failure is causing really a great production loss, or it is unsafe. If we are having such type of failures, maybe because of the hydrocarbon leak or toxic leak or something we can say happening hazardous to the people working surrounding in operators or technicians. So those failures which are really significant is with the viewpoint of the production loss or business point of view are unsafe and repetitive, and you are not knowing why the things are failing, then you have to do a root cause failure analysis. But root cause failure analysis is a process and you have to follow some rules and steps. So in my view, what are the steps for the root cause failure analysis? Whenever any failure happens, the most important thing is the evidence. So what are the evidence? One evidence is the physical evidence. I mean, whenever anything is broken, or suppose oil is spilled or breaking, or you can say bearing or any component is broken, there you will find the way how the things are broken. Why this, you can have some record. Now apart from the physical evidence, you have a recorded evidence. What type of recorded evidence? That maybe you can say in the DCS, maybe in computers, maybe in you can say display of your screen of the equipment, or you might be having the logs, history logs, or somebody might be recording when the things are happening and why the things happened and why the things failed. So all these recorded evidence also, it is a known as a recorded evidence. That is another type of evidence. Now third type of evidence is the manpower or human interaction evidences. Means whenever you have anything happened, different type of people are associated with the failure. They might be watching it, or they might be operating it, or they might be, you can say that time there may be present, or witnesses, or maybe doing something, that's why something happening.